So now in this video I thought we'd take a quick look at a breadboard power supply right here. So there's some variations, but for the most part they work the same. So we will zoom back a little bit. It has pins here and we can just plug it right into a breadboard as long as the pins are aligned properly. There we go. It shouldn't be too bad, but sometimes you may have to fiddle with it a little bit before it will fit. There is a little plus on the row where the red line is. There's a little minus on the row where the blue line is on both sides, as you can see there. So that's how you will know the polarity if your breadboard does not have these lines for some reason. Of course, you need to power the power supply, and it just uses a typical 9-volt barrel jack right there, and this is the only part that you power it in right here, and you don't want to go above 9 volts right there. And now you can see we have power to the module. There's a little yellow jumper here to adjust the voltage, so it's to the left there, the left 2 pins for 5 volts. I could center it for off, or you could put it to the right for 3.3 volts. We got that right there. These just pluck right off and slide on really easily right there. So I'll leave 3.3 to the right and 5 to the left. And you may be able to tell the LED on the left side is brighter than the right side. We got looks like it went down a little bit with the current going through the LED. Let's move the LED, and you can see we got 5 volts there, and then we'll check the voltage across this one. We should have about 3.3 volts. So about 3.2. It looks like it dips a bit with a load. So I didn't mean to pull the resistor, but let's look without the LED. So I'm just going to the power rail, and we got 3.3 volts. So I don't know if that's just because this is old or what. That's more of a dip than I would like to see. So I grabbed another power supply. Actually, the kit that this breadboard came out of, a little kit, and we'll see if the voltage is still holding. And no, looks like it's doing probably somewhere about the same as that other one. So must just be a design thing where it cannot hold the full voltage if there's current flowing. So we'll look, and we should have 3.3. We do there, and with no load, we can go to either side of the resistor. Really, almost 5 right there. We also have these pins here that we can power something. So you can just take a female jumper here, and doesn't matter, ground, 0 volts, are these 4 pins right there. Doesn't matter which one you go to. We're going to go to the short lead, the cathode of the LED. Always make sure you wire it in the right direction or it won't light up. And then we'll take a red one. So we can either go to 5 volts if we want to power at 5 volts, although it looks like the module doesn't hold that voltage terribly well, but you'll get about 5 volts. And there you can see we got the LED lit. We could also just go to 3 volts, 3.3 I should say, right there, 3.3 volts. LED's not quite as bright. And finally we have a USB plug right here, and just take the USB. This particular one has alligator clips at the end. Do not short circuit these. That's how I fried these breadboards in the past. I accidentally short circuited them. They do not take short circuits well. They do not have short circuit protection unless they've upgraded them since I bought these a long time ago. But in any case, there you can see we can power something directly with the USB right there. So I'm going to unplug it again before I accidentally short circuit something. But pretty straightforward. Number of different ways here you can power stuff. Mostly though it's made to snap into the breadboard. This one goes in really nicely. So in any case, that's it for this video. They do not come with the adapter there, the 9-volt adapter. I only got one kit, I think. That included a 9-volt adapter, a big kit. Generally, you just get these breadboard power supplies. You're going to have to figure out where to get an adapter on your own. And I don't even use these anymore. I use the bench power supply. You've seen in my other videos. So that's really about it though. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you check out one of the other videos. Make a donation if you can. I have links down in the description and probably the comment section. But just watching videos helps a ton too. Thanks for watching my videos. I'll see ya in the next video.